want to share some tips for selling, learning, and educational printables and making the most out of your sales. So these are printables that are visual, educational, and often affordable because people are just buying a package as opposed to like books and things like that. It covers things like worksheets, charts, graphs, and flashcards. So in this video, I want to share 4 tips for success for getting the most mileage out of making more sales for you educational and learning printables. So one of the great things is if you're selling on Etsy, you can have basically what's like a storefront. So you can offer a number of products, and I would suggest offering at least a minimum of 10 when you're getting started. And what's great about that is that people can easily see your other products you have in your store if they are browsing for one product, so you can sell related products. You should also build on your past successes, review your best-selling and most successful products, and you can use those as an inspiration for new products as well. So for example, let's say you have something like this, a fall scavenger hunt. You could create scavenger hunts for different things like different seasons, different holidays, things along those lines. So you can see here, they've done the Christmas one as well. So if something is selling, it's pretty easy to take it in many cases and do some sort of modification and continue to have something that's popular, although different. You also really want to make sure you provide excellent customer service. Try to get that 5-star review and respond to people's questions and customer and inquiries and things along those lines. That's going to help you a lot. And that also is, of course, included in search results when people are looking for you as well. So good customer service includes things like providing rapid responses to questions, handling returns, if you do offer returns, and just ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Maybe when you're selling downloadable printables, you include an FAQ with those, or maybe a freebie or something, just something to give people a pleasant buying experience with you. You should also test your products before they even make it out in the store. And that means, printing them out, seeing whether everything looks right, maybe opening them up on a couple of different computers, making sure that they're available to easily print out and use for the average user. So if you'd like to learn more about being successful with educational and learning printables, I recommend checking out my training, Easy Learning Printables. I do a deep dive into this popular market and also provide done-for-you templates. You can learn more on the link